हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सुरुचि सफ़र। माय नेम इज़ साइनी। मुझे बहुत लोगों का सजेशन आ रहा था कि लेटेस्ट जॉब वैकेंसीज़ के ऊपर मैं वीडियो बनाऊं। तो टेक जॉब न्यूज़ का ये मेरा सेकंड वीडियो है। इसमें मैं मेनली इंजीनियरिंग डिसिप्लिन और जीरो एक्सपीरियंस या फिर 1-2 साल एक्सपीरियंस वाले कैंडिडेट के लिए जो भी करंट रिक्रूटमेंट चल रहा है उसके बारे में बताऊँगी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited (NBCC) is a premier Government of India Navratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. NBCC is recruiting in the post of management trainee in civil and electrical discipline. Scale of pay Rs 40,000 to 1,40,000. Upper age limit as on closing date, that is 8th January 2022, is 29 years. Essential educational qualification for civil discipline is full-time degree in civil engineering or equivalent with minimum 60% aggregate marks, and for electrical discipline, full-time degree in electrical engineering with minimum 60% aggregate marks. Number of vacancies for civil discipline is total 40 and for electrical discipline is total 15. Selection process, the most important point. Candidates who have appeared for GATE 2021 examination are only eligible to apply for the said post. On the basis of valid GATE 2021 score, candidates will be shortlisted for personal interview. The final selection would be done on the basis of total marks secured, GATE score and personal interview by the candidates. Deputy Project Manager, Electrical. Total number of vacancies 10. Scale of pay Rs 50,000 to 1,60,000. Upper age limit 33 years. Essential educational qualification is full-time degree in electrical engineering with minimum 60% marks and minimum 3 years of experience. In the post of project manager civil, scale of pay Rs 60,000 to 1,80,000. Number of vacancies is 1 and upper age limit for general candidate is 47 years. Essential qualification is full-time degree in civil engineering with 60% marks and minimum 6 years of experience. Starting date of online application is 9th December, which already started, and last date for submission of application is 8th January 2022. For more details, follow the link. Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited (BCPL) is a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. NBCC is recruiting various disciplines in the post of Deputy Manager. Scale of pay in the post of Deputy Manager is Rs 24,900 to 50,500. Upper age limit as on 12th January 2022 is 30 years. And in all the discipline, minimum 1 year of post-qualification executive experience is required, including experience as graduate engineer trainee or executive trainee or management trainee. So, in the post of electrical, total number of vacancies is 2. Essential qualification is bachelor degree in engineering in electrical or electrical and electronics with minimum 60% marks. In instrumentation discipline, number of posts is 2. Essential qualification required is bachelor degree in engineering in instrumentation or instrumentation and control or electronics and instrumentation or electrical and instrumentation or electronics or electrical and electronics with minimum 60% marks. In mechanical discipline, number of posts is 4. Essential educational qualification, bachelor degree in engineering in mechanical or production and industrial or manufacturing or mechanical and automobile with minimum 60% marks. In chemical discipline, total number of posts is 10 and essential educational qualification required is bachelor degree in engineering in chemical, petrochemical, chemical technology or petrochemical technology with minimum 60% marks. In finance and accounts discipline, number of posts is 2. Essential educational qualification is 2 years MBA with specialization in finance with minimum 60% marks with BCom or graduation in economics or graduation in mathematics or graduation in statistics or graduation in any engineering discipline. In contract and procurement, total number of posts 2. Essential educational qualification is bachelor degree in engineering with minimum 60% marks, and preference will be given to candidates having 2 years MBA with specialization in material management. In human resources discipline, total number of posts is 2. Essential educational qualification required is bachelor degree with minimum 55% marks and 2 years MBA with specialization in personal management and industrial relations or human resource management, or bachelor degree with minimum 55% marks and 2 years master degree or 2 years PG diploma in personal management and industrial relations with minimum 60% marks. In information technology discipline, total number of posts is 1. Essential educational qualification, bachelor degree in engineering in computer science or information technology with minimum 60% marks, or bachelor degree with minimum 60% marks and 3 years master's degree in computer application with minimum 60%. Starting date of online application is already started from 13th December and last date for submission of application is 12th January. For more details, follow the link. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.